Hey there, let me ask you a question. Are you spending way too much money on gels, creams, and sprays? What if I told you that one of the world's best grooming secrets costs less than a cup of coffee? It's sitting in your bathroom cabinet. Right now, it's Vaseline. And most guys have no idea what it can really do. This isn't just for dry skin anymore. This is your new secret weapon to look cleaner, sharper, and more attractive without trying too hard. Ready to learn the secrets? Let's dive in. Trick 1. Make your smell last all day. First up, making your favorite cologne stick around. Isn't it annoying when you spray on a great scent and it disappears in an hour? Such a waste. Here's the magic fix. Before you spray your cologne, take a tiny bit of Vaseline. Rub it on your wrists and on your neck. Now spray your cologne right on top of that. The Vaseline acts like glue for the smell, and it holds onto the scent and lets it out slowly all day long. You'll smell amazing from morning until night. It's that easy. Your cologne will finally work like it should. Trick 2. Get perfect eyebrows in 10 seconds. Next, let's talk about your eyebrows. I know, it might sound weird, but trust me on this. Great eyebrows make your whole face look sharper and more awake. Forget about buying special brow gels. Just use your finger to grab a tiny bit of Vaseline. Rub it between your fingers so you can barely see it. Now, just brush it gently through your eyebrows. Look at that. They instantly look neater, fuller, and stay in place all day. No more messy hairs. It's a tiny change that makes a huge difference. You can use this for your beard too to keep those stray hairs down. Trick 3. Fix dry, frizzy hair instantly. Is your hair sometimes a dry, frizzy mess? Do you hate using heavy, sticky products? Vaseline to the rescue. And listen, this is super important. You only need a tiny dab, smaller than a pea. Rub it really well between your palms until it's almost invisible. Then just gently run your hands through your hair, especially the frizzy parts. This gives your hair a healthy, natural shine and calms the frizz. It looks like you have perfect, healthy hair without any product in it. The key is to use so little that it looks like you just woke up with amazing hair. Trick 4. Wake up with softer lips. You can't look your best with dry, cracked lips. It just ruins your whole look. Here is the easiest fix ever. Right before you go to sleep, put a little Vaseline on your lips, just a small layer. That's it. While you sleep, it works its magic, healing and moisturizing your lips. When you wake up, they will be incredibly soft and smooth. It's a 10-second habit that makes you look so much more well-groomed. So, there you have it. 5 simple tricks with one incredible product. Stop wasting money. Start using what works. Grab that jar of Vaseline and start looking your best today.